Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Birchbox unboxing for April. Super cute box as always. Card on top says, look for lip products with peppermint oil for a plumping effect. On the back it has a list of all my items and their prices for the full retail size of them. Oh, so the first thing I'm pulling out, I actually have this in the big bottles. I think I got it from a FabFitFun unboxing that I did a while back, and it's shampoo and conditioner by R&Co, and it's pretty good. Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. So I got a foil sample of that. Also received Wander. This is Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. That's pretty. I like getting liquid samples as well. Haven't got one of those in a while. This looks fun. Manna Kadar Beauty. This is Mint Lip Tint. So I guess that will have the plumping effect like the card said. Also got BB Hairdresser Invisible Oil Heat and UV Protection Primer by Bumble and Bumble. Definitely use that. I have very long hair and it's kind of frizzy, so having something like that will help. Then I have Lush Eyeshadow Nightfall City Limits. So it looks like it's kind of a nude color, or neutral color. Let's take a look. Cute packaging, it's kind of shimmery. Yeah, that's nice. And then the last item, I think, is a face mask. Real Beauty Vitamin C Brighten and Glow Facial Sheet Mask. And it's free of a bunch of stuff. Mineral oil, silicone, all sorts of stuff. Very cool. Pretty good box this month. If you didn't see what I got for my Ipsy box, I also got some face masks and stuff. But yeah, this is awesome. Face mask, lip oil, foundation, hair oil, eyeshadow, and then shampoo and conditioner. And I'll show you that card again. If you haven't ever subscribed to Birchbox, I've been subscribed for years. I really like it, as do I like Ipsy. I will put both their links below in case you want to join. And of course I have playlists if you want to see past month's boxes as well. So yeah, leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite item was that I got in my box, or what you got in your box if you got one. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.